So we're going to do a little bit of short spear drills in close quarter situations. Okay, so we're going to use 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's all we're going to use here and now. So you just watch and see what you can pick out of it. Okay, so first of all, obviously I'll explain what's going on. So this is slash, parry, and slash. Okay, slash, parry, slash. All right, do it this way. Slash, parry. Now you see with the parry, I move side and lean a bit backward while hitting the whatever is coming this way. It could be a punch, it could be a kick, it could be a spear, that way, and then I slash the midsection. There, you see, move the hip. Do it this way, right? Slash, parry, slash. You see, when I slash with the midsection, again, see the hip there. Okay, so slash, parry, slash. Okay, slash, parry, slash. There. See, now this is the slash. It's the same kind of hip movement but limited. There. Now the thing is coming this way, I parry, and then I have to respond with a slash midsection. Now the reason why we're going for the midsection is because if I go for the upper body, head, chest, wherever, his spear has already come this way. It's there, right? So I'm going low. Now this midsection also can also be there. So let's see how that will work. Slash, parry, there. Okay, do it this way. Slash, parry, there. See? Up between the legs, you know, like that. Right? Slice them up there. Alright? Go again. Slash, parry. Okay? So remember, number 3 was across midsection, but now we're going a bit lower, down and off. Now if you watch, I'm not just doing that. I'm going slash, parry, up, there. Okay. Alright, so that's just using a 3 counter drill to practice. Don't need to do much, right? No flipping, spinning and all that. Now, talking about the proper combat situation, you want to be straight to the point. Slash, parry, slash, or slash, parry, midsection. Alright? Follow my YouTube channel, link down below. Soon we'll create a course. We're currently working on a course on the basics of the short spear in close quarters. See you next time.